Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use the Monkey app on your iPhone, even though it isn't available in the App Store. First, if you search for Monkey in the App Store, you'll notice it doesn't show up. That's because the Monkey app is officially available only for Android. But don't worry, you can still use Monkey through your browser. Just open Safari or Chrome on your iPhone, then type in monkey.app. From here, you'll see the option to sign in if you already have an account or create a new one. Just tap whichever works for you. Once you're signed in, you can start chatting face-to-face with people right from your iPhone browser. No download needed. Oh, and one quick tip. If you plan on using Monkey a lot, add it to your home screen so it works almost like a regular app. In Safari, just tap the share button, then choose add to home screen. And that's all you need to know to use the Monkey app on iOS. If this tutorial helped, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and yeah, check out our next guide.